Hi, this is Busy Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use sequence on Instagram Reels. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram has always been at the forefront of social media innovation, constantly introducing features that change how we interact and present content. Sequent, this feature allows you to stitch together multiple clips into a single Instagram story. It's an excellent tool for creating a narrative or showing a progression of events. So how to do it if you want to use this sequence on your Instagram. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just choose on the reels or video that you want to feature. I will choose this one maybe for the example. Now you can just tap on the three dots on the rails on here, and you'll find there's an option sequence. You can just click on that. So here's the video. You can trim, maybe you just want half of the video. Now you can just tap on next. Let's wait. Here you can start to record yourself. Before that, you can use effect if you want to use effect like maybe green screen or the other effect in here. You can also add yours in here. You can choose the speed and set timer. Also, you can use gesture control to record. Now let's start like this for the example. Here's you can now you can just tap on next. So here's the first video on the reels. After that, after the video on reels are finished, our video will be appear after this like this. It will turn out like this. Now you can just tap on next and upload it to your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use sequence on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.